Premium protection for your most advanced device. iPhone 16 Pro Max case. Introducing the ultimate safeguard for your state-of-the-art device, the iPhone 16 Pro Max case, meticulously designed to complement the elegance and performance of Apple's most powerful phone yet. Crafted with precision and engineered with innovation, this case strikes the perfect balance between sleek aesthetics and uncompromising protection. Ultra-durable materials. Built using a hybrid structure of high-grade polycarbonate and shock-absorbent TPU, this case offers military-grade drop protection while maintaining a slim, pocket-friendly profile. Reinforced corners and raised bezels around the screen and camera provide added impact resistance and scratch prevention where it's needed most. Elegant and functional design. With its slim silhouette and smooth matte or glossy finish, the case enhances the phone's original design without adding unnecessary bulk. Available in a range of modern colors and textures, clear, matte black, leather grain, or metallic tones, it's a statement of style and substance. Precision fit. Every cutout is laser measured for a seamless fit, ensuring unhindered access to the iPhone 16 Pro Max upgraded camera system, dynamic island, USB-C port, and Face ID sensors. The tactile buttons are responsive and satisfyingly clicky, offering a natural feel that mirrors the phone's own design philosophy. Wireless